So today we see how to download Microsoft Power BI. So simply we will open Microsoft Store from our Windows and simply search Power BI here. Okay, and just press the enter of our keyboard. Then Microsoft Power BI desktop will came. You have to simply click here and then click on the download. After downloading, just click on the open. Before taking the overview, we just install the Microsoft Power BI. Okay. So my advice for all of you, you should download it from Microsoft App Store because whenever you download from there, okay, like Power BI desktop update and release on monthly basis, incorporating customer feedbacks and new features. Only the most recent version of Power BI desktop is supported in our local computer. So if you download from elsewhere, okay, it will not update and it will force you to update the Power BI desktop. But if you download it from Microsoft App Store, it will update automatically and you not have to worry about that. So always try to download it from Microsoft App Store if you have available. So we just landed to Microsoft Power BI desktop. Before this, you will get some of the pop-ups here. You just have to cancel those pop-ups. Okay. Still, I not sign in. Okay. We will use Power BI service. Okay. How to do that? I just showcase to you as well. So for now, we are not signing. So you also not have to sign in. So Microsoft Power BI is a free application you install on our local computer that lets you connect to transform, visualize our data. With Power BI desktop, we can connect the different data sources to our application. Okay, so let's we take some overview of Microsoft Power BI desktop. Then Uh, in our Microsoft Power BI, there are three views are available. If you see here, first one, I just hover on that. It is report view. So you can create report and visuals where most of the our creation time is spent on this part. Okay, creation. Let's click on this and you can see this is our part. Okay, after that we have the data. Okay, it is in the table format. Measure and other data used in the data model associated with our reports and transfer the data for the best use in report modules. By using this, we can be connect different data sources to our application. Simply I just click on this. Okay. From here we can be add our data, any data we can be easily add here. Okay, here you can be see Excel workbook, text, CSV or XML. We will connect data sources as well, but now we just take the overview of what is Microsoft Power BI desktop. After that we have third is model view. Okay, simply I click here. Here we can create relationships among the tables in our data model. So this is these three are the main points. Okay, so let's we